Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the innovative world of mezzanine design. Whether you live in a cozy loft or a spacious home, a mezzanine can add an extra layer of functionality and style. Let's explore some inspiring ideas that will elevate your space and maximize its potential. First things first, what exactly is a mezzanine? It's a partial floor that sits between two main levels, often overlooking a larger room below. Not only does it create a sense of openness, but it also provides an opportunity to utilize vertical space creatively. The versatility of mezzanines makes them perfect for various functions, from additional storage to cozy reading nooks. When planning your mezzanine, think about its primary function. Are you looking for a peaceful home office, a guest suite, or maybe a play area for the kids? Defining the purpose of your mezzanine will guide your design choices and ensure it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Next up, let's talk aesthetics. The design style of your mezzanine should complement your overall home decor. From sleek, contemporary designs to charming rustic vibes, choose materials and colors that resonate with you. Incorporating elements like wooden beams, metal accents, or colorful textiles can make your mezzanine a standout feature. Maximizing space is crucial in mezzanine design. Consider using built-in shelves or multifunctional furniture to make the most of your area. For instance, a sofa bed can serve as both seating and a guest bed, while hidden storage compartments can keep clutter at bay. Safety is paramount when designing a mezzanine. Ensure that railings are secure and high enough to prevent accidents, especially if you have children or pets. Using non-slip materials for flooring can also enhance safety, making your space both beautiful and functional. Natural light can transform your mezzanine into a bright, inviting space. Incorporate large windows or skylights to maximize sunlight, creating an airy atmosphere. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves your mood and productivity. Finally, let's talk decor. Adding personal touches can make your mezzanine feel warm and inviting. Incorporate rugs, cushions, and plants to create a cozy ambience. Art pieces and decorative items can reflect your personality, turning the mezzanine into a true extension of your home. And there you have it, our top mezzanine design ideas to inspire your next project. We hope you feel motivated to create a beautiful, functional space in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration, and let us know in the comments how you'd use your mezzanine space. Until next time, happy designing!